Yay! Got Frozen DVD.
What's it? Oh yeah. Frozen. Frozen. Yeah.
What's that?
Mommy.
That's strong, isn't it? What is it?
Yeah.
Is it a fish?
Yeah.
Wow! Another fish.
Mommy, what that?
Yeah.
Nemo, is it? It's what? Turn around.
Mimo.
Turn around so I can see.
Who, Daddy?
Mommy, Mimo. Mimo,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, it's the blue one.
Yeah. Boo.
Yeah. Dory.
No.
Same colour. Same colour anyway. Yay.
Yeah, boo.
Blue one.
Yeah. Mommy. Mommy, boo.
Spare, that's the spare ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
What else we got?
Where are they?
Don't know.
Mommy, boo.
Frozen video. That's DVD.
Mimo.
Bye.
There you go.
Oh, what's that?
That's the dishes now.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What else have we got?
Yeah. Beep.
What's that?
Yeah, mommy.
What is that?
Yeah.
Airplane.
Oh.
Airplane there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Brilliant, isn't it?
You're 3.
Yeah.
It says, happy 3rd birthday to Cameron. Happy birthday. Lots of love from Mummy and Daddy.
Yeah.
That nice? I'm gonna get more.
Oh. Yummy.
It's because the sofa's dark. It's just way too bright.
Oh, what's this from? Oh! Oh! Ready?
Yummy.
It's your birthday.
Mommy.
Yeah, your birthday. To Cameron, love, happy birthday from Spencer, Uncle Spencer and Miles.
Mommy.
Ah, that's a nice one, isn't it?
Mommy. Yeah.
That's that one.
Apple.
Huh?
What's it? What's that then?
What is it?
Ooh.
Oh. What's that then?
Ooh, that's
Been over 3 years
yeah.
for this. Stuck in a cupboard up there. Oh, look at that. One. Yeah, we'll play that later. What is it?
Dada.
Cars. Yeah. Lightning McQueen sort of thing.
Boo.
Yeah, that's good. Cars. Microskeletric.
Please, achoo! Achoo! Go then, this way. Mum's there, it's alright. Go then, she's watching. Quick! Jump! Right then, mate. Dancing time. Quick then. Back on the floor. Get Easter egg. Go then, on there then. A video in. Quick. With mummy. With mummy. Copy mummy, quick. Come on then. Easter egg. Quick then. Right, Dad, quick. Back on with Dad. Nice time?
Yeah.
Do you like your Thomas?
Yeah.
Railway thing? Good, isn't it? Oh, I thought you said tan. Everyone's got to get a tan. Everyone's got to get a tan, innit, Cameron? Daddy Bo. Daddy Bo. Oh, Daddy Bo. Daddy Bo. Wave. Hello, Dad. Say Thomas. Good boy. You says the word's good, don't you now? Thomas. Percy. Alright, which one's Thomas? Say Thomas. Now, which one's Percy? Say Percy.
Down, we'll see. It's a circus. Yeah, you got the stars. See? Yeah, mummy do a bit now. Mummy colour in his hat. Mummy colour it in green. You've got the grain of the table going in the picture. Again, make that orange. Press very hard.
Having a nice time?
Yes.
Good. What are you doing? Colouring. Yeah. Well done. Good time. Yeah, nice time?
10.
Yeah. Can you count? Go and count. Go.
2, 3.
Any more?
1, 2, 3, 4. 10.
Hey!
What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Comes after 18.
18.
And 19, 20.
Yay.
Right, tell him what you got to do again. Show
This
Mummy.
is what you do,
Yeah,
right? This is what you do. Like that. Like that.
Baby.
Is that nice?
Yes.
Is it lemon flavour? Or is it banana flavour?
Lemon.
Banana.
Lemon.
I'm going down your front, isn't it? This is Mark painting. So you can see he actually did do some work on the kitchen.
Sure.
You had no answer then, did you? Lots on the kitchen.
Paid.
Hey?
Paying for it is easy. You're doing it because you hard work.
I've done work.
That's why I'm bothered.
Just getting the first coat on. Let it sink in. Then
Use them off. What's the took over the paint?
and we've got to change the door of the door.
Okay.
Box that thing in. Clean this up. And these have all got to be cleaned up.
Use it. Actually press it. It's actually recording.
So yeah, battery's going to die though. Clean that up. And then got the cooker hood to go up in there. And then the floor's being all tiles.
There's the living room floor, all nice and flat. At long last. All sorted. All blurry as well. Getting there slowly. Straighten it once it's off anyway. Don't worry.
It's better to do it now when I can hold it. If you've got a big tree with the branches sticking out,
That's alright.
you have enough to get
Then.
So, I'm really like, we can't see the telly.
I'm hoping to do this right around.
It's just like we've still got all the decoration. You've got the biggest Christmas
The
tree.
first real Christmas tree ever.
First ass hanging out ever on video.
Yeah, first ass hanging ever.
Yeah, he's gonna be impressed by your Christmas tree. I'm gonna get her phone.
I'll do it right, ruin it. Same time.
Bloody hell. He's leaning that way again.
Alright, let's get this off first.
Oh, that ceiling's what, 10 foot? So it's nearly
It's
10
pretty
foot
tall.
10 foot tall Christmas tree.
I can do it.
It's just a bit where your feet go to the top of first.
I do it. I do it.
There's one more in it. Let me put some more in it.
Here's a big one.
Well, you know, it might be your first tree, but it's probably the best tree you have. That's the biggest tree.
I can see.
It looked big out there, but bloody hell,
Let's get the top off then.
I can see.
Let's get the top bit off then.
just above the knob, just above the little knob bit.
I can see bits of the tea.
Right. Here we are in our living room at last. God, it's been a nightmare. Anyway, see what this tree's doing. There's our fireplace. All our bits on.
You ready?
Fire.
10,
Hang on.
9,
Hang on.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
It's gonna be feeble.
3, 2,
Wow.
1.
Yay! Need some more lights though.
Well, they're in there. If you could find another bit for
Need
it.
some more lights.
I want to put one piece. I want to put one piece, Mom. I'm going to
It's blurry, isn't it? No trouble. Can't focus.
She relaxes.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. My little Sappy loves greyhounds and whippets and nursery. He tries to keep up with them, but now he's got something that lives.
So this is all fence round, yeah?
Yeah, it's all secure.
Oh, that's all right then. So you can actually let her off her lead then?
Yeah, you can let her go off if she wants to travel, maybe. Probably she might not at the moment.
Come on then. Hey, Peppa. Come on then.
This is Rusty. He's a regular. He can show Peppa the
He
road.
doesn't like being. He doesn't like being in one place. So
And it's Rusty's birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday!
Uh-oh. Poo time. Peppa. 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 Come here. Come here.
Oh, she recognised the name.
Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Peppa. Peppa. Come on, Peppa. Come on in. Come on in.
I'd love to see her go for a gallop.
Yeah. Gonna go for a run? Careful. Peppa.
Tail wagging as she being so upset about rescue dogs not getting to run.
Careful, careful.
Peppa?
Peppa.
No, leave them to it. It's great for them.
Whoop.
Let them have a run inside, I
There's no way I could keep up with. Peppa! Oh, back out there then. Girl, well done. Go play then. Go play then. Go play then.
Good girl.
Come on in. Come on, see. Come on in. Come on, Peppa. Go on then. Where's the ball? Where's the ball gone?
get bowled over.
Peppa, Peppa, here, Peppa, here, here, Peppa, Peppa. Just want to see if she does. Peppa, 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 here, Peppa, come. Daddy, quick. All right then.
For about 8 hours, yeah. After about half an hour, you can get a good video of her. She can have a good look around.
All right now.
Good
Sit
boy.
in there, sit down and watch from the other side of the night.
Good girl.
Some toys.
Coming back to us.
Yeah. It's pretty wore out already. Peppa. Peppa. Go play, Peppa. Go on. Where's the ball? Where's the ball gone? Get the ball. Get pulled in. Trying to get in that bit, look, do it agility. This is, look. But oh God. Teasing. Here he is. Here's your ball. Here's your ball. Here he is. Steady. Steady. Go. Get ball. Get ball. Peppa, get ball. Go get ball. Get ball. Get ball then. Get ball. Have a drink instead. There you go. Where's ball go? Get ball. Here he is. Ready. Here he is. Ready. Ready. Ready, Peppa. Go. Thanks, love.
Apparently they're known for having these dogs.
Well, they speed, aren't they, as you know? Yeah. And it's around tracks, it's normally, and if she was a racing dog.
Pushing out one way in it, I guess, yeah, just going around.
Right hand, right hand.
Yeah, it would be, wouldn't it? Yeah. So it's anti-clockwise, isn't it, really?
So I know, he's loving it, loving it. So
Hello, Peppa.
It is from the past, you know, obviously, you're aware of it.
You having a good time? She's having a good time. Hey? Yes, she is. You knackered, didn't you, Peppa? Hey, Peppa. Hey.
Hello, you're so girl. Girl. Oh. Does he? You gonna get in, Peppa? Oh, good girl.
Come on, Peppa. Here.
Peppa.
Peppa, here. Peppa.
Oh, I see you limping now.
Yeah.
Peppa, come on, babes. What's this? Peppa.
You can't go out without Mummy or Daddy.
You want to go? Oh, kennel out.
Oh, the kennel. Ah.
Bring the kennel out.
She's having a wee.
Oh, there.
Oh, yay!
He was just
Whoa, whoa, hey, no.
If he's playing, you got to tell him off then. She didn't like the barking, so he thinks he knows her place. You're going through the tunnel, you're going the wrong way.
Yay, well done.
You go back in that way. Come on then.
Go to Daddy, let him take a picture.
Hello. Hello, through the tunnel. Through the tunnel, baby. Through the tunnel. Well, okay. Tunnel's
Showing them how it's going, aren't you, Cam?
This is rubbish, isn't it? So dark.
There we go.
Pooh.
That's a bit many.
Ready, Peppa? Peppa.
Yay, well done.
Work on bringing us the ball back.
Release it and then leave it.
Go throw the ball then, Cam. Throw the ball. Hey. No. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. There you go.
It's not in there, darling.
No, slip.
Okay.
Careful.
Yeah.
What's that? Let's see, then just move them. Just move them. Yeah? That's good, isn't it? So he bites. Well, they don't bite you there, nah. They bite. Tell Daddy on the camera, do they bite? No. Right, what else are we going to see then? Birdie. Oh, look at colours on that one. It's a one of me. Nearly. He was laughing, wasn't he then? He nearly bites.
Why?
He bites, yeah. Yellow one. I think he remembers how to do it. Yeah, you're going fast. Watch out. Look out. Keep going. Where are you going? That's it. Yeah. Go on. Pit stop. Go on then. You pedal. Pedal then. Can you pedal? No. Can you not pedal? Where's animals? You want to see some animals? They're little pigs. Cameron! Sorry mate, no worry. It's alright. I'm not professional. Well, I was, but not anymore. What can you see through there? It's like...
Go on then, slow down.
From there then. Oh. Okay. Alright. Okay. New case. Go on then. Use your feet then. Go. That's it, almost. Push. Push down with your feet. No, no, no. A little bit further around that way. Right, ready? Push. Go. Push down. Just go backwards and forwards. You go backwards and forwards with your feet. Oh, that's it, that's it, that's it. Come on. That's it. Push down. Push down. Or backwards. Go backwards then. I don't care which way you go. Go.
Foot.
Go.
Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
Push, push down, push down, push down, push down. No, that's cheating. Rubbish.
Okay.
You're a cheater. Hello. Hello. Hello then. You're gonna crash. Funny, aren't they? Don't smooth them there. Don't smooth them. Okay. Come on then. There we go. Noisy, isn't they? Mad you are. Forward, go. Come on then, that's it. Okay. Push. Careful, mine. Alright, go on then. Ah, pop. That's good. Well done. Now see if you can go, once you get over that one, that's it, keep going. Go on then. Good boy. Well done. Right. See if you can go back over. See if you go back over and then down the slide, yeah? Careful. Look. Gaps there, look. Oh dear. Careful. Careful, Daddy. Careful, Daddy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Well done.
Mommy, what we just did?
Along here now. That's it.
Come on in.
Well done.
Down the side there, we
Hang on, wait a minute. Wait for the little boy.
Right, let's show Mommy what we just did.
Go on then. Go. Ah! Well done.
Ah, you got to hold him up.
Brilliant.
Drop down then.
You're going that way, are you?
You're going to say sorry for hitting. You say sorry. Alright, give him 5, say sorry. Give 5. Give 5. Alright, and say sorry. Kisses? Sorry. That's all you told him if you hit anyone, that's all you told him to say sorry. Good boy. Good boy. You going back on?